Hey guys, Amandu here and welcome back to my channel. And today I have a very quick video for you. This, I guess you could take as a Christmas video. I didn't know what to do for Christmas. I've been very busy working on my thesis for my bachelor's degree. I've been very busy with Christmas shenanigans. It was also my anniversary last Saturday, so I've been extremely busy. And I don't know, I still wanted to give you something special. Now, this is my very first digital art video on this channel. I don't do digital art as much as I would want. I do a lot of creative compositions using photographs. I really like that, but I don't do digital art as much. I think I should practice a little bit more. You are going to see a lot of that for my bachelor's thesis here. I wanted to do a picture of one of my favorite YouTubers. You probably know Jackie from Nerde Crafter. I really love her channel. If you don't know her channel, she does a lot of like fun crafts. I think she's a lot of fun. I think she has great content. I really like her style of editing. I like her style of humor. So I will link her channel, in case you don't know it, in the description down below. I wanted to experiment a bit while drawing Jackie. If you've seen my art before, I have two main art styles. One of them is very reminiscent of a kind of chibi anatomy. That's what I call my pop surrealism style, because that's a style I really want to embrace, and it's a genre, I would say, of painting that I really want to like dive into and be known for. Nevertheless, it's not entirely chibi, so I thought, well, what would happen if I was to actually draw a chibi character? So I decided to draw Jackie. I'm not exactly happy, like I'm not 100% satisfied with how it looks like. I just didn't want it to look like my other drawings look. And I like a lot of things about this drawing. I like the line work, I like the colors and all of that. I just don't think the style is there yet, so maybe I should experiment a little bit more with all this chibi stuff, or maybe I won't, because I don't really do it that much. In the end, however, I think Jackie turned out very cute, and I hope she gets to see this video so that I can tell her that I really love her channel, so keep up the good work, Jackie. And I hope she likes this little version of her that I created. If you like my content, please comment, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notifications for when I upload new videos, and tell me what would you like to see me draw next. Anyway, stay creative guys. Love you. Bye bye.